Hello and welcome to Zimstate Media. In an emotional interview with the Zimbabwean journalist Sabhuku Temba Mliswa revealed that DNA tests showed that some of his children are not biologically his. The former member of parliament is father to over 21 children. He says he's chosen not to tell his children that some of them are not his, saying he wants to protect them and because he genuinely loves them.
Let me tell you one thing. For the first time, because you came to my village, and this is spiritual, I've done DNAs to some of my children. For the first time, I'll say some of them are not mine, but I look
serious.
It's the most emotional part I have to tell you, and you are the first journalist I'm telling this to. I have tears, but I love the kids. I look after them because they're innocent. It is a hard one for me.
For more stories, please do like and subscribe.